Hi everyone, welcome to the Chevron STEM Zone at 216 Nature Valley First T Open. I'm Abel.
And I'm Noah.
Noah, what's with all the soccer balls behind us?
It has to be the biofeedback exhibit. I learned that ninja like reflexes.
Well, tell me about it, Speedy.
A stick is dropped without warning, and how fast you catch it determines how quickly a signal is sent from your brain to your muscles.
And your brain is super fast.
The speed of light.
That's amazing. Whether you play golf or any other sport, the Chevron STEM Zone is awesome way to learn about science, technology, engineering, and math. Thanks, Chevron.